Hey everyone, want to give your Brave browser a sleek dark look? In this video, we will show you how to enable dark mode on Brave so you can browse comfortably and reduce eye strain. The dark mode on Brave is a feature that changes the browser's interface, including windows and settings, from a light to a dark color theme. This helps reduce eye strain and can save battery. You can turn it off anytime in Settings under Appearance, whether you are on desktop or mobile. For full web content, you can enable a night mode toggle on mobile or use Brave's forced dark mode on desktop. The purpose of dark mode on Brave is to reduce eye strain, especially in low light, save battery on devices with OLED screens, and provide a comfortable browsing experience. It also gives the browser a modern look that many users like. Now, let's go through the steps together so even if you're new, you can follow along easily. Open your browser, go to the settings. You will find Settings. You can also click in the bottom right part of your browser. Click this logo Settings. Click and you will go to the Settings page. Now go to Appearance. You can find Appearance on the left side of the page under Get Started. Click Appearance and then go to Theme. Click Theme, and on the right side you can choose between light, dark, or set it to follow your device's setting. You can also set your theme colors. If you want a gray look, it depends on what theme you like. For example, we will use the theme with the green option because it is comfortable for the eyes. It's up to you how to choose what's comfortable with your eyes and preferences. Configure this settings anything you want. You can now use these dark or light mode settings on your browser. That's it. You've enabled dark mode on Brave, giving your browser a sleek look that's easier on your eyes, especially at night.